Hi everyone, this is Mr. Castro speaking, and I'm recording this video for the students at San Ysidro High School. In this video, you are going to find out how to submit an assignment. Specifically, you're going to find out how to submit an English essay through CourseSites. So after you have created your CourseSites account and you are signed up for your English teacher's class on CourseSites, you're going to log in to blackboard.coursesites.com. Once again, the website is blackboard.coursesites.com. So once you're on the website, you're going to sign in. And this is what you'll see. On the left side, you're going to click on where it says courses. And then you will see your English class right here. So you're going to go ahead and click on your English class, and then you will see a list of assignments on the left side that you need to turn in. So let's pretend that today I am turning in essay number 1. So I'm going to click on essay number 1, and then I will click on where it says turn in essay number 1 here. I will scroll to the bottom, and where it says assignment submission, where it says text submission, I'm going to click on write submission, and in this box I need to copy and paste my entire essay that I have already typed up on my Google Doc. So I'm going to go to my Google Doc, and here's my essay that I've already typed. I'm going to copy and paste it. So copy everything, highlight everything, and then right click, copy. Or a faster, easier way to copy and paste is on your keyboard. A shortcut is to press Control A, that highlights everything, and then Control C to copy. So going back to the submission page on CourseSites, I'm going to copy and paste the essay into this box. So you can paste the essay by right-clicking and then clicking on the word paste. You can also, if that doesn't work, on your keyboard, press Control V at the same time to paste. So if I scroll down in this box, I will see my entire essay is right here. Now that I have my entire essay here in the box, I'm going to scroll down and click on the word submit on the bottom right. Now at the very top it says success. Your submission appears on this page. And below that I see my entire essay. I see my MOA heading, I see my title, and I see my entire essay right here. So once you see the word success at the top, you see that purple bar, you see your essay, you're all finished. I can click OK, and I am all done.